Benefits of buying a home that needs some work. Hello everyone, this is Neeraj, your favorite local realtor, giving you all the information what you need to make you successful in the real estate world. When you're in the market looking for a house, you're probably looking for a house which is move-in ready as much as possible. Why? It's obvious, you could simply just move in and you don't have to do anything. However, there are some great properties in the market which need some work. So when you first initially look at the property, what happens, the amount of work required to move in, that it looks so overwhelming that a lot of buyers just simply move away from these properties. Now I think it's a great benefit in buying these properties. Why? There's few things I'm gonna list. Number one, when in 2020, when we're talking about it, so the market it's like super hot, super sellers market right now. Every property is going into multiple, and if selling 100,000, 150, maybe sometimes $200,000 over asking price. Now when buyers are moving away from a particular property, guess what, you do not have to participate in that bidding war per se, so that you can actually save money the purchase, right? And another thing is when you're customizing a kitchen, which is like overdue for long overdue for the upgrades, you can actually take that color coding what you want, extra cabinets what you want for your maybe the pantry you wanted to create in the kitchen, or maybe just wanted to upgrade the appliances. You can choose appliances what you want. Another thing is for the bathroom, same thing. You can choose what you want, what kind of a color scheme which you prefer, and at the same time, if the whole house needs to be painting to be done, guess what, you can choose and customize the colors what you need to be done. And definitely these are the benefits. At the same time, another benefit is you can choose the terms and the conditions, like a closing, deposit, putting a conditions like for inspection to be done, or the financing conditions to be done. So these conditions you can insert, whereas when there is a multiple offers, let's say an offer presentation there's 10, chances are you will not get the opportunity to put these conditions. So these are some benefits, but at the same time, when you are buying a property which is a little bit lesser than what it could be sold, if it's a move-in ready property, you can actually save thousands of dollars in doing so. Hopefully these tips help you. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to me. I can be reached at 647-282-8078. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to connecting with you. Have a fantastic day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.